All right, many of you have likely noticed that right out of the box you are hearing a series of chirps every time you use your push-to-talk device. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what that sounds like. So make sure the AT&T push-to-talk app is open. All right, so if you're getting those chirps every time somebody is initiating a push-to-talk call, thankfully there is a way to disable that. So with this app open, we're going to go to Options and scroll down to Settings. All right, now from the Settings menu, we're going to scroll down to In-Call Tones. There we go. All right, now what I would do from here is uncheck 3 boxes: Incoming Call Tone, Floor Free Tone, and Floor Release Tone. I'll explain in just a second why you would likely want to leave these other boxes checked. So let's go ahead and back out of here. Now you'll notice when another device initiates a call, you're not hearing that chirp anymore. Now it will still chirp if a few other things happen. One, if you're attempting to make a call and the line is busy, you'll get a chirp. That is helpful. The other thing it will continue to do in these settings is chirp when you are looking to initiate a call. So on the side of your device there, that yellow button, right? So if I'm looking to initiate a push-to-talk call and hold that button down, you'll notice it will chirp with these settings. That chirp is helpful because it's telling you that when it's done, the line is clear and you're ready to make a call. So leaving that on is a good way of knowing that your whole message is going to be relayed and none of it will be chopped off. So again, some simple settings there that you can change to maybe help maintain your sanity a bit more.